Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mufassal Mullah.
My name is Jul Sarkar.
Lokman Hakimi, I am immigrant of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome back to another video. I am hopeful that all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today in this video I am going to share a simple conversation with my senior brothers and friends. So okay, let's gonna be start right now. And now I'm trying to introduce the whole person in these videos. Okay, I have with my senior brothers. He's also none other than he's also special person for our bliss, and he's also come to first time in our bliss. That this time I will try to introduce him. Okay, brothers, please share us introduce yourself in this point.
Well, thank you for giving me a golden opportunity to say something about myself. It's me, Lokman Hakimi. I am immigrant of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Right now, I'm telling from New Bangladesh. So I'm a student of English learners. So I'm gonna get admit in at Open University in our country, Bangladesh. So I'm doing business in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I'm owner of business. That's all about what I do.
Okay, the another next person is name of Joel. I will try to say something about give his answer. I will try to ask him some questions that he also will be introduced the whole of man in this time. And please, Mr. Joel, you should have to be introduce yourself at this video.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jul Sarkar. My district is Brahmanbaria. I live in Kosba Upazila. My bliss name Borotota. I am a student of class inter second years. The name of my educational institutions Gopinathpur Alhaj Shahalom Degree College. That's all about me. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Joel, to give a good time with me. And I have another person. His name of Mufassal Mullah. He's my also friend. He's also studying. We are also studying at the same base. Mufassal Mullah, are you ready to say something about?
Yes, of course.
Okay, you should have to be share. You introduce yourself in this video.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mufassal Mullah. Everyone call me only Mufassal, and I live in Kosba Upazila. On my village name is Jethamora Mullabari, and I am studying in mathematics department on Brownway Government College of honors first year, and I am a part-time designer, and I also learn English. That's why I connected with my foreign clients easily. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much, all of the men, all of the guests, and all of the person to give me good time to getting a new video in this situation. Thank you very much also watching my videos.